back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Mina ngingumama Thando. Wena ungubani? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Mngani, let's sing the Sawubona song and greet all our friends around the world. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Sawubona mngani. Mngani, in this video lessons, we are going to be working on numbers as adjectives. These numbers are from 10 to 19. Of course, we know those numbers. They all start with ishumi, so a 10, and then followed by a unit. So 10 and 1 unit, 10 and 2 units, 10 and 3 units. So 11, 12, 13. Ishumi nanye, ishumi nambili, ishumi nantathu. These groupings of nouns that we are talking about today in this lesson are nouns that when they are singular start with u, and when they are plural they start with o. Some of the nouns in this class, just some examples of nouns that you already know, are umama. When it's plural it is o mama, so mother, mothers. Another one that you already know, ubaba, it's dad, a father. The plural of it is obaba, fathers. Let me give you a few more, just so you can see how much more you actually know of these. Umkhulu, grandfather. The plural, omkhulu, grandfathers. Ugogo, grandmother. Ogogo, grandmothers. Udadewethu, sister. Odadewethu, sisters. And another important thing, Ngani, is these groupings of nouns are not only people, but they are a mix. Some they are body parts, there are some vehicles, so types of transportation. So it's just a whole mix. And did I say food? Food as well, some food items. So now let's get on with the number adjectives. Now, in English, when you are saying how many of a thing you have, you would say 10 apples. Yes, starting with the number, so that adjective, and following with the noun, ibizo, apples. In isiZulu, we do it the other way around. We start with the noun, ibizo, which is ama-apula, and then follow with the number, adjective. And in this case, we said 10 apples. And so, ama-apula ayishumi, 10 apples. Now, mngani, our numbers will all be starting with the letter I, that's I in English. Ishumi, 10. Ishumi nanye, 11. Ishumi nambili, 12, and so on. And also our prefix is going to be aba the whole time, because whenever you are describing a noun that starts with o, its adjective will always be aba. So now you see then, Ngani, that if the prefix of the adjective is aba and the number starts with a vowel, ishumi, I, you see that we potentially have a problem, but it's not a problem for us because we've learned about this so many times already. That now we have these two vowels, aba and then ishumi. We have those two vowels, the a and the I, right next to each other. We just don't do that. Again, we do not do that. Please do not do it. So don't even force it, okay? It's just not acceptable. Don't even try to get used to it either. It's just not. No, don't try it. Nah, give up. Yeah. So we just separate those vowels. We separate them with ungwaqa, a Y, because the second vowel is I. If the second vowel was a different vowel, then we would separate them with a different ungwaqa consonant. So let's get onto this now. The noun we are going to use, when it is singular, it is Ogandaganda. That is a tractor. It doesn't matter what kind of tractor, whether it's the one on a farm that's plowing or doing whatever on a farm, or it's the one that's fixing or building a road, it doesn't matter. It's a tractor, all the same. Ogandaganda. So that's the singular. And then when it's plural, we remove that U and we replace it with O. And so now it is Ogandaganda. Ogandaganda. Repeat that after me, Mngani. Ogandaganda. Very good. So tractors. We are saying tractors because we are starting from 10 and not 1. We would then say Ogandaganda, owodwa, one tractor. But we are working with plurals only in this lesson. Let's start. 10 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi. 11 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nanye. 12 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nambili. 13 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nantathu. 14 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nane. 15 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nanhlanu. 16 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nesithupha. 17 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nesikhombisa. 18 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nesishiyagalombili. 19 tractors. Ogandaganda abayishumi nesishiyagalolunye. 'Well, Mngani, that is it for Ogandaganda. Make sure that you watch the other video lessons on the other groupings of nouns. Ngizokubona esifundweni esilandelayo. I'll see you on the next lesson. Sala kahle mngani.